Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this lovely 2015 Nissan Altima that we have for sale. We took this one in on trade. Some of our nicest pre-owned vehicles coming on trade. This Altima is no exception. Really nice condition inside and out. And if you're looking for a nice commuter vehicle with a spacious interior, low ownership costs, and sips fuel, the Altima is a great choice with its CVT transmission. It gets well over 30 miles per gallon on the highway. I think it's like 35 or 38 miles per gallon is the EPA highway rating. Matched to a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. Makes, I think it's like 175 horsepower, which is plenty of power. You have plenty of get up and go. I think most people will be more than happy with the performance you get out of that 4-cylinder and the great fuel economy it delivers. Nice interior. I like the black piano finish on the center console. Nice gauge cluster, easy to read. This one has 79,964 miles on it. Bluetooth hands-free phone system. Really great color combination in red on this charcoal black interior. It's been serviced and checked by our Nissan certified techs. We are an Infiniti store, and Infiniti is Nissan's luxury division, so our techs are not only Infiniti certified, but they're also Nissan certified. Nice spacious interior. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height. You can still see I have plenty of legroom back here. I love the looks and lines of the Altima. Definitely has a little bit more of the sporty character than some of the competition, like these clear taillight lenses. Kind of has a little bit more of a performance tuner look to it, which you don't always get in sedans. Some of the competition is a Toyota Camry, Honda Accord. Some vehicles in this class can be guilty of being a little too vanilla, and Nissan tried to compensate for that. Really is a handsome looking vehicle. I love the looks and lines of it. Very similar to other vehicles in the Nissan family. And this Altima is backed by a 5-day, 100% money back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy with the vehicle you purchased from us, be it new or used. And if you're not, we want to take it back for a full 100% refund within 5 days, because we want to make sure that you're happy with your next vehicle, even if you might not buy it from us. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.